Hello everybody, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're experimenting here with our S1 makeover. So let's try to get this back on track. Okay, so it won't matter, but we're going to have to insulate maybe with, I don't know, something slippery on one face of this so that these wheels don't, could be just a thin strip of plastic so the wheels don't touch on one side. And it's got two wires, two rods, and that holds it in place. So from going down, the brass holds it. From falling out, the wires hold it. It rolls pretty nicely. You know, it's got to be lubed, you know, so it's not bad. It can make 22-inch radius, but it's a little tight, to be honest. But now I have blind drivers, so I always could put these on, and that would, you know, even the real trains use blind drivers to, you know, cheat. But as you can see, it can make it on 22 inches radius. So that's pretty cool. So what I'd have to do is, I already checked that. This motor's a wonderful motor, but it's too big. I've got narrower motors. See, this won't fit in here. This is a supercharged motor, super powerful. But what I need is, I could make something really weird out of it with this. But I need to get a worm gear, and then, you know, build something like that, and have this a version of this motor back here, thinner one. I do have them, I think, that'll fit in here. Bring it down to here to spin, and make a contraption that'll hold it in place. So that's one possibility. But then what's going to make the rest of these things go, as you can see here, all the little bolts and screw bolts and things and whatnot. Well, I was thinking, oh, that's all I need is to knock this over. Not good. Let's put the track on this side so it does some good in terms of keeping things from rolling off. Let's get some of these motors. Not sure which one we're going to use. Now, my theory is try to align these to make a side rod. It's got to be perfectly straight down. I know I'm doing it by eye, which is kind of cool. Okay, let's see if we can get this tape job on here. Does that look good? Okay, now you can see we have a template